Coding is a skill that is in high demand, but there are many myths about what it takes to be a successful programmer. There are many benefits of learning to code, such as the high salary potential, the flexibility of working from home, and the satisfaction of creating something from scratch. So whether you are just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, this video is for you. Hey there, coding enthusiasts! Have you ever been intrigued by the world of coding only to be held back by the countless myths and rumors floating around? Well, fret no more, because today we are here to debunk those myths and show you just how accessible and exciting coding can be. Myth number 1, programmers spend all day coding. Now, this is a common misconception that has been floating around for ages. Sure, coding is a big part of a programmer's job, but let me tell you, it is not the only thing they do. These tech-savvy superheroes also spend a significant amount of their time researching, troubleshooting, and collaborating with their awesome team members. So if you are dreaming of becoming a programmer, do not worry. You are not going to be chained to your computer screen all day long. There is a whole world of exciting tasks just waiting for you. Myth number 2, you need to be a genius to code. Oh boy, this myth has got to go. Let me set the record straight here. Coding is for everyone, and I mean everyone. You don't need to possess an otherworldly IQ or have a PhD in mathematics to become a coding superstar. All you need is a little bit of time, some good old practice, and a whole lot of dedication. Trust me, with the right mindset and a basic grasp of syntax and logic, you will be well on your way to writing clean and efficient code. And guess what? Some of the most popular programming languages out there, like JavaScript, Python, Java, C, and C++, are actually loved by non-technical students. They are easy to learn and super versatile, making them the perfect weapons of choice for aspiring coders just like you. So tell me, which language do you find the easiest to learn? Go ahead and drop a comment down below, and let's go ahead and get this discussion going. Myth number 3, you need a degree from a top-notch institute to land a coding job. The prestigious degree dilemma. While having a degree from a renowned institute might give you a little extra edge, the truth is, it is not always necessary. In fact, many successful programmers out there are self-taught or have degrees from lesser-known schools. That's right. I mean, what really matters in the coding world is your skills, your experience, and the kick-ass portfolio that you build along the way. Don't just take my word for it, though. According to the data published by Dev Mountain on employers' perspectives, a whopping 89% of employers believe that coding bootcamp graduates are just as prepared, if not more prepared, for a coding career compared to their degree-holding counterparts. This makes it clear that having a degree from a top-notch institute is unnecessary to get a coding job. If you have found success in programming without a degree from a top-notch institute, or maybe if you know anyone like that, we would love to hear that story. Please share it with us in the comments below. Myth number 4, learning coding is too expensive. Now listen up, folks. While it's true that some coding boot camps and courses can put a dent in your wallet, fear not, because the online programming world has got your back. There is a treasure trove of free and low-cost resources just waiting to be discovered. From fantastic YouTube tutorials to vibrant online forums, you will find a wealth of ways to learn coding without breaking the bank. And guess what? According to the developers survey conducted by Stack Overflow, a whopping 70% of respondents learned how to code using online resources like videos, blogs, and forums. So let's go ahead and keep that sharing spirit alive in the comments section. We want to know, what are your favorite free or low-cost resources for learning to code? Tell us right now. Myth number 5. You need a high-end laptop to learn coding. All right, coding warriors, pay attention. Having a top-of-the-line laptop can be nifty when it comes to running those complex programs, but here's the truth bomb. You do not need it to get started on your coding journey, okay? Many programming languages can be written on a basic laptop. That's right, your hardware does not define your coding prowess. What truly matters is your determination to learn, to grow, and to improve your skills. So let's leave the hardware envy behind and focus on the real power within you. Myth number 6, you need crazy cool math skills to be a good coder. Brace yourselves, math phobes, because this myth is about to crumble. While it's true that some programming concepts require a solid understanding of math, not all programming jobs demand advanced math skills. Many programming languages only require basic math skills like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. That's right, anyone, and I mean anyone, can learn to code regardless of their background. In fact, many successful programmers started their coding journey from non-technical backgrounds. This proves that your past does not define your coding future. So let go of those math anxieties and unleash your coding potential. Myth number 7, I do not have a computer science background. Hold your hats, folks, because we are about to bust the granddaddy of all the coding myths. Listen closely. You do not need a fancy computer science degree or a technical background to dive into the coding world. That's right, according to the developers survey conducted by Stack Overflow, the majority of respondents learned to code without having a computer science degree. It is time to shatter the misconception that coding is reserved for a select few. Coding is a world that welcomes dreamers and creators and innovators from all walks of life. Congratulations, coding enthusiasts! We have finally debunked the 7 common coding myths that have been holding you back. It is time to embrace the truth and unleash your coding potential. But wait, before we conclude this epic myth-busting journey, I have a special recommendation for all of you who are eager to start your coding journey. If you are ready to dive into the exciting world of coding, then I highly recommend checking out KnowledgeHut's boot camps. They are awesome. KnowledgeHut offers a wide range of boot camps, from the data science boot camp to the full stack developer boot camp, data engineer boot camp, data analyst boot camp, AI engineer boot camp, UI UX design boot camp, and so many more. These boot camps provide you with the perfect opportunity to learn in-demand tech skills and start building rich and functional applications. Plus, you'll have a job-ready portfolio that will be sure to impress potential employers and land you that dream software developer job. It's an incredible chance to level up your coding game and turn your passion into a thriving career. Remember, my fellow coding warriors, anyone can learn to code with the right resources, practice, and persistence. Age, background, or perceived abilities should never limit your coding aspirations. If you've come across any other myths regarding coding, please do not hesitate to share them with us in the comments below. We would love to read them and debunk them. Let's keep the conversation going and continue breaking down barriers. I hope that this video inspired you and opened your eyes to the limitless possibilities of coding. Now, if you found this video helpful and empowering, do not forget to show your support by hitting that like button and sharing it with all of your friends who might still believe in these myths. And hey, if you want to stay up to date with all of the coding goodness coming your way, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We would appreciate that so much. Together, we will redefine what it means to be a coder in this fast-paced digital world. Happy coding, my friends.